Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Shark Vacuum Pet Pro is probably one of the most sought-after cleaning companions for pet owners, boasting advanced features designed to tackle stubborn pet hair and dander with unparalleled efficiency, making it a game-changer for maintaining a pristine home environment even with furry friends around. Number 5. Shark Navigator Lift-Away NV356E. Experience powerful suction that tackles both carpets and hardwood floors. It effortlessly lifts dirt, debris, and even stubborn pet hair for a truly clean home. Detach the pod for easy above-floor cleaning. Use the included tools to reach stairs, furniture, and tight spots, removing dust and debris from various surfaces. Tired of pet hair? This vacuum is designed to powerfully remove pet hair, dander, and debris from carpets and upholstery, making it perfect for homes with furry friends. Breathe easier with advanced HEPA filtration. It traps 99.9% of dust and allergens, ensuring a cleaner environment for you and your family. Navigate your home with ease. The smooth swivel steering allows you to effortlessly maneuver around furniture and into tight corners for complete control. What we like? This vacuum offers incredible versatility with its lift-away pod for above-floor cleaning. If you need to tackle stairs, furniture, or tight spots with ease, this is the one for you. Its HEPA filter also makes it a great choice for allergy sufferers. What people say. The vacuum has a self-cleaning brush roll that prevents hair wrap. It comes with a pet tool that effectively removes pet hair from upholstery. The vacuum is lightweight and easy to maneuver around furniture. Number 4. Eureka PowerSpeed NU182B Upright Vacuum Cleaner. Experience the dynamic power of this vacuum cleaner. Its motor and brush roll lift stubborn debris, while the wide nozzle cleans more in less time. Weighing just 10 pounds, this upright vacuum is designed for effortless whole-home cleaning. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver around your living space. With 5 height adjustments, it works perfectly on carpets, shag rugs, and hard floors. Smooth wheels protect your hardwood floors from scratches. The extra-large 4.1L dust cup holds more dirt, meaning less frequent emptying. You can clean more and empty less often. A quick-release handle and stretch hose allow for above-floor cleaning. Included tools help you reach tight spaces, clean upholstery, and even freshen up your car. Specifically designed to tackle pet hair, this vacuum ensures your home stays clean and fresh. It effectively removes stubborn pet fur from various surfaces. What we like? Looking for a powerful yet easy-to-handle vacuum? This model boasts a lightweight design and a large dust cup, meaning less emptying and more cleaning. Its 5 height adjustments make it perfect for homes with various carpet types and hard floors. What people say. The vacuum has great suction power and picks up pet hair effectively from various surfaces. It is lightweight and easy to maneuver around furniture and tight spaces. The self-cleaning brush roll is a game-changer, preventing hair from getting tangled. Number 3. Shark Rocket Pet Plus Corded Stick Vacuum HV322. Effortlessly switch between a powerful stick vacuum and a convenient handheld. It's perfect for tackling stairs, furniture, car interiors, and those hard-to-reach tight spaces. Experience deep cleaning on carpets and capture debris on all hard floor types. This versatile vacuum is your go-to for any surface in your home. Enjoy consistent, non-stop power for a deep clean every time. With corded performance, you never have to worry about charging for everyday cleaning. Weighing under 10 pounds, it's incredibly easy to carry, steer, and store. This lightweight design is ideal for quick cleanups and whole-home cleaning. Easily remove stubborn pet hair from carpets, stairs, and upholstery. Its powerful suction makes it the perfect choice for homes with furry friends. Navigate around furniture and tight corners with ease. The advanced swivel steering provides smooth control for efficient cleaning on any floor surface. Clean under couches and beds effortlessly with the low-profile nozzle. Bright LED headlights illuminate hidden dust and debris, ensuring a thorough clean even in dark areas. What we like? For consistent, powerful cleaning without worrying about battery life, this corded stick vacuum is a fantastic option. It converts to a handheld for ultimate versatility and features LED headlights to illuminate dark corners. If you need a reliable tool for quick cleanups and detailed work, consider this. What people say. The vacuum is lightweight and easy to maneuver around furniture. It picks up pet hair effectively from both carpet and hard floors. The self-cleaning brush roll is a game changer, preventing hair from getting tangled. Number 2. Neakasa P1 Pro Dog Grooming Vacuum Kit. Meet the Neakasa P1 Pro, your ultimate solution for pet grooming at home. This all-in-one kit makes keeping your furry friend looking and feeling their best easier than ever. With 6 versatile tools, it handles everything from trimming and clipping to thorough vacuuming. Say goodbye to scattered pet hair and hello to a cleaner home. Experience the impressive 9,000 pascals suction power that effectively captures loose hair and dander. It ensures a mess-free grooming session every time. Designed with low-noise technology, it provides a calm and stress-free grooming experience for your pet. The large 1L dust cup means less frequent emptying. This kit is ideal for managing shedding and performing regular trims right in your home. Keep your pet comfortable and your living space tidy with this essential grooming tool. What we like. This is not your average vacuum, it's a complete pet grooming solution. If you're tired of dealing with shedding and want a quieter, more integrated way to groom your pet while simultaneously cleaning up the mess, this kit is ideal. What people say. The vacuum is lightweight and easy to maneuver around furniture. It has excellent suction power, picking up pet hair effectively from carpets and hard floors. The self-cleaning brush roll prevents hair from getting tangled, which is a huge time saver. Number 1. Shark Rotator Powered Lift-Away TruePet NV752. Introducing the Shark Rotator Powered Lift-Away TruePet. Experience deep cleaning with its innovative 2-in-1 technology, allowing you to reach every corner with ease. Its advanced swivel steering makes maneuvering around furniture and tight spaces a breeze. Cleaning becomes less of a chore and more efficient. Enjoy a healthier home environment. The anti-allergen complete seal and HEPA filter trap 99.9% of dust and allergens, keeping them contained. With a large capacity dust cup, you can clean more without frequent interruptions. Emptying it is quick and simple. Bright LED headlights illuminate hidden debris and pet hair, ensuring no spot is missed. Clean effectively, even in dimly lit areas. Effortlessly switch between floor types with fingertip controls. It's designed for both hard floors and carpets, adapting to your cleaning needs. Specifically designed for pet owners, it includes a powerful brush roll that tackles stubborn pet hair and dirt on stairs and upholstery. What we like. Experience deep cleaning power that reaches everywhere with its powered lift-away pod. The specialized pet power brush is designed to tackle stubborn pet hair and dirt. If you have a pet and want a vacuum that offers robust cleaning performance on all surfaces, this is a top contender. What people say. The vacuum has a self-cleaning brush roll that prevents hair from wrapping around it. It comes with a crevice tool and a pet multi-tool for cleaning different surfaces and tight spaces. The vacuum is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it convenient for cleaning around furniture and stairs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.